Welcome back to Us Bike Pro, your trusted place for in-depth motorcycle reviews, updates, and performance breakdowns. In today's video, we are exploring a machine that brings back strong nostalgia while adding modern engineering, the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 off-road motorcycle. This bike is not just a simple update. It represents the return of a legendary off-road identity, designed for riders who love dirt trails, mountain paths, forest tracks, and pure adventure riding. Yamaha has carefully rebuilt this model to match today's riding expectations while keeping its old-school rugged character alive. Legacy of Yamaha DT 175 series. The Yamaha DT 175 has always been a respected name in the off-road motorcycle world. Earlier versions were known for their simplicity, lightweight frame, and incredible durability in harsh environments. Riders from past decades remember the DT 175 as a bike that could survive almost anything. Mud, rocks, sand, and steep climbs without losing performance. Now in 2026, Yamaha revives this legendary name with a more refined approach. The goal is simple: keep the original toughness but improve everything around it: engine response, suspension quality, comfort, and safety systems. This makes the new DT 175 a bridge between classic off-road biking and modern adventure technology. Engine and performance, power with control. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is powered by a refined 175 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, engineered for strong low-end torque and smooth mid-range acceleration. Unlike high-speed street bikes, this engine is designed specifically for off-road environments where control matters more than top speed. The power delivery is linear and predictable, which helps riders maintain grip on slippery or uneven surfaces. Whether you are climbing rocky hills or navigating muddy forest paths, the engine responds quickly without delay. Yamaha has also improved combustion efficiency, which reduces fuel consumption while increasing overall performance stability. This means longer rides with fewer stops, a big advantage for adventure riders. The cooling system is also upgraded, preventing overheating during long off-road sessions or hot weather conditions. Transmission and gear control. The bike comes equipped with a 6-speed manual gearbox, carefully tuned for off-road riding conditions. Each gear is spaced to give maximum control at low speeds and enough power at higher RPMs when needed. First and second gears are ideal for climbing and technical trails, while higher gears allow smoother movement on open dirt roads. The clutch is lightweight and responsive, reducing hand fatigue during long rides. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders who want a balanced off-road experience. Suspension system, built for rough terrain. One of the strongest features of the 2026 DT 175 is its upgraded suspension setup. Yamaha has designed it specifically for extreme riding conditions. The front features long-travel telescopic forks that absorb deep shocks from rocks, potholes, and uneven terrain. At the rear, a monoshock system ensures stability and balance, even when the bike is loaded or riding over rough surfaces. This suspension setup allows the bike to maintain traction and control even in unpredictable environments. Riders can confidently tackle mountain trails, river crossings, and forest paths without losing comfort or stability. Frame and build quality. The frame of the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is built using a lightweight but strong steel alloy. This gives the bike excellent durability without adding unnecessary weight. A lighter frame means better control, easier handling, and improved maneuverability in tight off-road situations. The overall structure is designed to withstand vibration, shocks, and continuous stress from rough riding conditions. Yamaha has also reinforced key stress points in the frame to ensure long-term durability, especially for riders who push the bike to its limits. Design, classic spirit with modern touch. The design of the 2026 DT 175 is a perfect combination of retro and modern styling. It retains the slim dirt bike profile that made the original model popular, but now includes sharper body lines and a more aggressive stance. The fuel tank design has been reshaped for better grip during standing rides, which is common in off-road situations. The seat is slightly padded and ergonomically designed to support long rides without discomfort. The graphics are bold and inspired by Yamaha's racing heritage, often featuring blue, white, and black color combinations that highlight its identity as a true off-road machine. Braking system, safety-first approach. The braking system in the 2026 DT175 has been significantly improved for better safety and control. It features front and rear disc brakes, providing strong stopping power even in muddy or wet conditions. The brake response is sharp but controlled, allowing riders to manage sudden stops without losing balance. This is especially important in off-road environments where terrain can change instantly. Some versions may also include ABS support, adding extra stability during emergency braking situations. Wheels, tires, and grip performance. The Yamaha DT175 comes with strong spoked wheels designed to handle heavy off-road stress. These wheels are flexible enough to absorb shocks but strong enough to avoid damage from rocks or rough surfaces. The tires are deeply treaded off-road units designed for maximum grip on dirt, gravel, sand, and wet terrain. This combination ensures excellent traction, even in challenging riding conditions where standard street bikes would struggle. Technology and modern features. Even though the DT175 focuses on simplicity, Yamaha has added useful modern features to improve the riding experience. The bike includes a digital instrument cluster displaying speed, fuel level, trip meter, and gear position. LED headlights and tail lights improve visibility during night riding and foggy conditions. These updates make the bike more practical for modern riders while still keeping its rugged identity intact. Riding comfort and handling. The riding posture of the 2026 DT175 is upright and natural, which is essential for off-road control. Standing riding position is easy due to the well-placed handlebars and foot pegs. The lightweight body allows quick direction changes, especially useful in forest trails and narrow paths. Even during long rides, the bike remains stable and does not feel tiring, which makes it suitable for adventure trips. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of the Yamaha DT series has always been low maintenance, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. The engine is designed for simple servicing, meaning riders can maintain it without expensive tools or complicated procedures. Fuel efficiency is improved compared to older versions, allowing longer rides on a single tank. This makes it a practical option for riders who want both adventure and affordability. Who should buy the 2026 Yamaha DT175? This bike is ideal for off-road adventure riders, dirt trail enthusiasts, mountain riders, beginners learning off-road control, riders who want a lightweight and reliable motorcycle. It is not just a bike, it is a tool for exploration and outdoor freedom. Final verdict. The 2026 Yamaha DT175 off-road motorcycle successfully revives a legendary name with modern improvements. It combines durability, lightweight design, strong suspension, and updated features into one balanced package. While it may not be a high-speed street racer, it shines where it matters most: off-road performance, control, and reliability. For riders who value adventure over speed, this machine stands out as a strong and dependable choice in 2026. Outro, US Bike Pro. That concludes today's detailed breakdown of the 2026 Yamaha DT175 off-road motorcycle here on US Bike Pro. If you enjoyed this expanded review, make sure to subscribe, stay connected, and keep exploring more bikes with us. Until next time, ride safe and keep the adventure alive.